Hello, my name is Almariza Karohmah. Hello, Ais. I will ask about a memorable school experience. Uh, first, most first, what is the most memorable experience you had during school?
Hello Alma, I will answer your question. One of the memorable experience for me when I was in elementary school was the experience of participating in the Persami Saturday Camp activity. This activity had on Saturday and Sunday ke Jambon, which is one the village in Pemalang Regency. Persami is held every 2 years, and at the time I had the opportunity to participate in the activity with my friend. This Persami can be participated by representative of students from each school that has students of Scott age. At the time, there were two Scott group representing my school to participate in the Persami activity in the Jambon village. The second group was the Melati group, for the group was member with girls and the Garuda group was member with boys.
Okay. Next, who was your best friend in school, and what memories did you share with them?
My best friend when I was in elementary school was was Vika. She has been my friend since I was in kindergarten. She is Kuchil. I sat with Vika. The memories I sat with her. We I had study together with her at home and school. Vika and I had so participate in scouting and camping activity together.
Next, which extracurricular activity had the greatest impact on you?
Okay, the most memorable extracurricular activity when I was in elementary school was the Scout extracurricular activity because at my school, the Scout extracurricular activity was a mandatory extracurricular activity for all students. The impact of this extracurricular activity is that can try independent and the ability to work together with other. My participating in the Scout extracurricular activity I can go to camp which is far from where I live. My participation in this camp activity, I can train independent for myself and can improve the ability to work together between me and my friend.
Okay, next, which teacher had the most influence on you and how did they teach?
The most influential teacher when I was in elementary school was my teacher when I was in grade 6. He taught using various method ranging from practice, discussion, demonstration, and so he always motivation me to in learning. He became a good teacher who was always patient with all the behavior of his student and always tried.
Okay, last, what was your greatest achievement is in school and how did it shape you?
Okay. Uh, the great achievement I ever got during my elementary school was that from grade 1 to grade 6, I always got the top uh, 10 ranking. When I was in grade 6 elementary school, I got the 4 highest national exam score in my class. This achievement can save me because by entering the top 10, I am more diligent and disciplined in studying.
Okay, thank you, Ais.
Okay, thank you, Alma. Okay, I will ask the text recount by Alma. Number one, how did you feel on your first day of school, Alma?
Okay, I will answer your question. I felt very anxious but also excited because I would meet new friends and start new experience.
Okay, next question. What was the first thing you did when you arrived at school?
The first activity was a game. Each student was asked to talk a little about themselves and their dreams. I felt a bit shy, but when my friends started talking and sharing stories, I felt more comfortable and began to feel like I was part of the group. After the game, we were shown around the school.
Okay, who was the first friend you met and what was your first impression of them?
The first friend I met was named Melissa. My first impression of her was what she was very friendly and easy to talk to and fight
And then
comfortable
what?
talking to her right away.
Okay, and then what was the most memorable moment of your first days at school?
On the first day of school, I felt really awkward, but when I met new friend and friendly teacher, my nervousness started to fade. We got to know each other through small games, and I began to feel more comfortable. That moment made me excited for the days ahead.
Okay, and the last question, was there anything that made you feel comfortable or uncomfortable on your first day?
On the first day, I felt comfortable because some of my friends were from kindergarten, so there was already a sense of close and familiarity that made me feel calmer. However, I also felt a bit uncomfortable because there were some people I didn't know yet, which made me feel a little awkward. Thank you,
Okay,
Ais.
okay, thank you, Alma.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Alifia Nazafila. I've just read Alvin Indrawan's recount text about your first day of school, and I found it really interesting. It must have been quite a memorable experience for you. So, I like to ask you some question. The first question is, after your powder mishap, did you become more mindful of your appearance when going to school?
Yes, since since the I no longer want to wear powder after taking a shower and always pay attention to my appearance when I go to school.
Okay. Have you ever felt hesitant or afraid to wear makeup to school again after that incident, especially powder?
Okay. On since the time of the powder incident, I have always felt doubtful and insecure about my appearance.
Did that experience affect how you acted around your friends? Like, did you become more reserved or even more confident?
It doesn't affect affect my attitude to friends or my personality. It's just that sometimes I feel a little insecure because I get carried.
Did it make you more cautious about small things like checking your face in the mirror before leaving the house?
Since the incident of using powder, that is to think when I go to school, I always tell my mother not to do it, but I always check because I am afraid there will the powder marks.
Okay, and the last questions. From that experience, is there any particular lesson you still carry with you until now?
The lesson that I can take from the incident is that I become aware of the importance of age appearance. Although sometimes I think because at the time I was still a child and it was from of affection for a mother.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Uh, Hi, my name is Alvin Indrawan. I will ask Olivia about his memorable past experience. First question, how do you feel when you fall?
Okay, thank you for reading my written text and for your thoughtful questions. Uh, Here my answer. When I fell, I feel shocked, hurt, and panic. It all happened so suddenly, and I couldn't stop crying because the wounds were quite painful. Like that.
Okay, second question, when you fall and cry, how does your friend Warren hit you?
Okay, my friend who pumped me into me looked very surprised and guilty. He immediately stopped running and tried to help me, even though I was too busy for crying at that moment.
Okay, a third question, how do you parents feel when they know you have fallen?
My parents, especially my father, looked worried and quickly treated my wounds. Even though he seemed calm, I knew he felt sad seeing me in pain.
Mm, Question 4. How does your friend reaction when he sees a scar on your face?
Okay, some of my friends feel sorry and asked if I was okay, while others were shocked to see the wounds on my face. However, they were all kind and supportive, wishing me a quick recovery.
Yeah. Fifth question. Are you traumatized by the incident?
Of course, at first I felt scared to join running race again, especially at the same place. But over time, I learned not to be too afraid and to be more careful when running. Okay, thank you for your questions.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, bye bye. See you later.